Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer was once the most used browser because it came pre-installed with Windows, but before it died out, its main job for most people was downloading Chrome. It's now discontinued, can no longer properly display most websites, and is mostly used only for old company systems. Just history at this point. Google Chrome. Chrome is the most popular browser in the world. It's simple, fast, and works with almost every website. It syncs everything with your Google account passwords, themes, and has a massive extension library. The biggest downside is that it uses too much RAM and collects a lot of user data, making it not the best choice for privacy. Safari. Safari is Apple's browser for Mac, iPhone, and iPad. It runs smoothly, saves battery better than most browsers, and syncs tabs and passwords perfectly across Apple devices. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's the best choice. Outside of it, it's not really an option. Brave. Brave is built for people who care about privacy. It blocks ads and trackers automatically, so pages load faster and cleaner. It also has its own ad system that rewards you with a cryptocurrency called BAT for watching optional ads. In short, Brave is one of the best choices for privacy and speed. Firefox. Firefox is a free and open-source browser developed by Mozilla. It uses its own Gecko rendering engine instead of Chromium, making it a solid choice for people who don't want to rely on Chromium-based browsers. It's focused on privacy and highly customizable, and like Chrome and Brave, it's available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's new browser that replaced Internet Explorer. It's faster and smoother with useful tools like vertical tabs and built-in AI, making it a solid pick for students and office users. But honestly, it's still best known as the browser you use to download Chrome. Opera. Opera is one of the oldest browsers, released in 1994, and it still has many fans. It comes with cool built-in tools like a free VPN, battery saver mode, and a clean UI. It also supports most Chrome extensions and works well for multitasking and laptop users. Opera keeps its loyal users but hasn't been able to attract many new ones. Opera GX. Opera GX is a version of Opera built specifically for gamers. It comes with a built-in RAM and CPU limiter, so the browser won't consume too many resources while you're gaming. It also has a built-in VPN, ad blocker, and a gaming-themed UI with customizable colors and sounds. It even shows you upcoming game releases and deals directly in the sidebar. Arc Browser. Arc is a modern browser developed by the browser company, offering a completely different vision compared to the traditional browsing experience. Instead of placing tabs at the top, everything is organized in a sidebar featuring spaces to separate your work, personal life, and studies. The browser also features built-in AI tools and a sleek, minimalist design, and it is currently available on Mac and Windows. DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused browser that blocks trackers and ads automatically. Unlike Chrome, it never saves your search history or builds a profile on you. It also has a fire button that instantly clears all your tabs and browsing data with one tap. It's simple, clean, and one of the best choices for everyday users who want privacy without the complexity. Tor Browser. Tor Browser is built for maximum anonymity. Instead of connecting directly to websites, it routes your traffic through multiple servers around the world, making it extremely hard to track your location or identity. It's used by journalists, activists, and people living in countries with internet censorship. However, because of this multi-layer routing, Tor is significantly slower than regular browsers and is not suitable for everyday use. Chromium. Chromium is the open-source base that almost every browser we've talked about is built on, except Firefox. Companies take Chromium and add their own features. Google adds its services and releases it as Chrome, while Brave adds security tools and ad blockers. Chromium was originally started by Google and is still one of its biggest contributors today. Some developers and privacy-focused users prefer raw Chromium because it's lightweight, fast, and collects no user data.